Hey, what's up guys? In today's video, I'm going to talk about 10 cool things that you can do with your Amazon Kindle Paperwhite 2021 edition, which is the 11th generation Paperwhite. So without any further delays, let's get into it. Did you know that you can set the cover of the ebook that you're currently reading as your Paperwhite's display cover? Yes, you can. And to turn this feature on, you have to go in settings and then device options. The first option you will see here is display cover. Toggle it on and then you're done. When your display goes into sleep mode, your book cover will show up as the display cover. It looks really cool and kind of always remind you the book that you're reading, and you are attracted towards reading it even more consistently. Moving on, one of my favorite features here is the dark mode that they have added here. So the display background is black and the text is white. It is not only amazing to look at, but also makes the reading experience far better. You can turn this feature on by tapping on the top of the display to open the quick controls, and here select dark mode. It really makes reading easier on your eyes, and I love this dark mode. It looks amazingly slick and makes me want to use my Kindle even more. Moving on, if dark mode is not your thing, maybe the display warmth mode will indulge you. It is basically a blue light filter that makes the display warmer, and you can easily control the intensity from quick controls. But you can also schedule it, so it will turn on and off automatically at your set times, or you can set it up as automatic as well. So it will gradually changes with sunset and sunrise. And if you get the signature edition of Paperwhite, you will also get the auto adjusting front light. Next up, you can also turn on the page turn animation on this Kindle device. Yes, page turn animation that we get on our smartphones. To turn this feature on, open any ebook, tap at the top and go in the font control options. Go in more, scroll down until you see the page turn animation option and toggle it on. Once you do that, you will see a subtle animation whenever you will turn the page. It is not exactly like we see on our smartphones or iPad, but is definitely better than no animation, where several times I didn't even knew that I had turned the page because I accidentally touched the screen. This brings a little more character to this Kindle experience, and I really like it. I have it turned on since the time I have discovered it. Moving on, did you know that you can also set up your Kindle to show your Audible purchases? Yes, you can do that, and you can set it up as a filter as well. To turn this feature on, simply go in settings, then device options, then advanced options, and here go in home and library. Select Audible content, and here select show in library filter only. Once you go back in your library, you can go in filters and select Audible as a filter. But I don't have any Audible purchases, so it won't let me do this on my Kindle device. Next up, you can send any document that you want to your Kindle device and read it on your Paperwhite. For this, go in settings, then go in your account, and at the end you will see send to Kindle email. All you have to do is copy this email and send your documents to this email from your registered email, the one that you're using with your Kindle device. If you use any other email address to send your documents to this email, it will not appear on your Kindle device. And secondly, there are very specific file formats that you can send. If you're sending a Microsoft Word file, you should be fine. And I will add a screenshot of all these formats here. So make sure that you're sending correct format, and then it will appear as an ebook on your Kindle device. Next up on the list is power saving mode. By default, this feature is turned on. It is this feature that allows weeks worth of battery life on your Kindle device. But you can turn this feature off, and the benefit is that you will get faster screen turn on time on your Kindle when you wake it up from sleep. But at the same time, it will reduce your Paperwhite's battery life. You can turn this feature on by going in settings, then go in device options, then advanced options, and here you will see power saver option. Go in here and disable it. Moving on, as you continue to read more books on your Kindle device, you can also build a decent set of vocabulary for yourself. And Kindle is designed to help you with that. When you long press on any word, it will bring up the dictionary for you. But at the same time, it will be added to your vocabulary list. You can then go in settings and go in vocabulary builder, and in here you will see the entire list of the words that you have looked up over time. You can also categorize them in books that you have searched them from. Down below you will see flashcards, which lets you practice these words and memorize them. And once you have memorized them, you can master them. Then you can see the words that you're still learning and mastered already separately. It's a very straightforward and cool way of building your vocabulary over time, using flashcards to master them, put these words in mastered category so you can go through them later as well. Moving on, you can easily highlight anything on your Kindle device by long pressing and then swiping down to however much you want to highlight. A menu will pop up that lets the readers add notes to their highlights in their own words. The extended menu will let you search it in Wikipedia, translate it, and even report any content error like spelling mistakes. Later on, you can easily revisit these highlights and notes by going into settings and selecting notes and highlights. Here you can see your highlights as well as popular highlights done by other readers on their Kindle devices. So it is an incredible resource on your Kindle Paperwhite to use at your convenience. And finally, you can use the X-ray feature on your Kindle Paperwhite as well. This feature basically scans what's on the page that you're reading and then provides you background information about anything that is on that page, like characters, terms, images, or any notable clips mentioned in that page. This is a very good way of getting all around information about the book, as well as allows you to refresh your memory about any character in the book if you don't remember, or specific terms in the book as well. It's exactly what it says. It x-rays the book for you and gives you the details about specific things so you don't lose the plot here. And that's about it from this video, guys. I hope you have enjoyed it. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. This really helps the channel, guys. Thanks for your time, and I will see you in the next one. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.